स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोलॉइड्स. हमने लास्ट में कल कोलॉइड्स पढ़ा था. कोलॉइड्स इज अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. इट कंसिस्ट टू थिंग्स. वन इज डिस्पर्स फेज एंड सेकंड वन इज डिस्पर्जन मीडियम. In solution term, two things are there, no? One is solute solvent, other one is solvent. Solute having lower proportion, solvent having greater proportion in terms of a mass, correct? Like that only here the colloidal solution do have the two things also. One is disperse phase and second one is dispersion medium. Disperse phase means it is a solute only which present in the lower proportion in terms of mass, and dispersion medium is a solvent which present in a higher proportion. Understood? Now we'll go ahead for the colloids, that is classification of colloids. There are different ways actually for the classification. One by one we'll see. The first one is classification of colloids based on physical state. Classification of colloids based on physical state. ठीक है, means whether that whole colloids appear is a solid state, liquid state or in a gaseous state. At the same time, the states of a disperse phase and dispersion medium, whether it is gas liquid, gas solid, or maybe liquid, based on that only the different types of colloids are there. So we'll see one by one. The first one you can see over here on the table, that the first column is for disperse phase, the phase of a disperse phase. Second one, disperse medium. Then we'll see what is the type of that colloids, and then finally example. Few of the example we'll discuss over here. Okay. Now here consider the disperse phase in solid state. Dispersion medium is also in a solid state. Both are in solid state. Understood? Disperse phase, the substance which present in a smaller amount, solid state. Dispersion medium, the substance present in a greater amount, is also in a solid state. So that type of colloid is known as solid sol. Understood? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Solid sol. And example where both are in solid state, colored glasses. Glass is made of actually SiO2, और उसमें फिर कलर्ड अपीयरेंस के लिए ऐड करते हैं सम डिफरेंट ऑक्साइड, जैसे ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ सोडियम, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ कॉपर, देन ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ यूरेनियम, ये सब ऐड किया जाता है वहाँ पे. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स UO2 ऐड करते हैं. ओके, so these oxides actually gives the different color to the glass, then a red color, blue color, then yellow color. तो ये सारे कलर के लिए जो मिक्सचर यूज़ करते हैं, both are in solid state, that is traces of oxide, that is our disperse phase, and dispersion medium is the SiO2 over there which present in a larger proportion. Understood guys? So colored glass, paper, porcelain is also an example of a disperse this one solid sol. पोर्सलिन यानी बच्चों जो चाय के कप है, ओके, ये कप बनाने के लिए जो मटेरियल यूज़ होता है दैट इज़ पोर्सलिन. यू कैन से चाइना क्ले से बना हुआ है एक्चुअली, दैट इज़ पोर्सलिन. सो दैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द टाइप ऑफ अ सॉलिड सोल कोलाइड. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट वन इज लिक्विड सॉलिड लिक्विड, डिस्पर्स फेज, solid, dispersion medium, liquid, that this is the second type. That type of colloid is known as sol or gel. ठीक है, solid in liquid. Understood? The solid material smaller proportion, liquid material greater proportion में, because it is a dispersion medium. The type of colloid is a solid, sols and gel. Example है paint is the example. Starch solution is the example. Understood? starch solution कैसे बनाते हैं? starch powder लेना है, it's a sugar actually, उसको dissolve करना है into the water, और डायरेक्टली डिज़ोल्व नहीं होता नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे, सो उसको हीट किया जाता है. सो यू नो इट प्रिपेयर दैट जेल टाइप मटेरियल और सोल, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सॉलिड इन लिक्विड. अंडरस्टूड? और पेंट है, नैनो डिफरेंट पिगमेंट्स होते हैं जिसमें कि यू कैन से सॉल्वेंट में जो सॉल्युबल सॉल्वेंट है उसमें यू नो वो पिगमेंट ऐड किए जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ जेल और सोल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, द थर्ड वन disperse phase is solid, dispersion phase is gas, solid in gas. Understood? That type of colloid is known as aerosol. Example smoke, dust are the example. ठीक है, solid in gas. अब देखो solid होगा disperse phase and gas is a dispersion medium. तो that dust or smoke is the best example actually, because dust particle actually होता है in a smaller proportion and it is spread all over the atmosphere, so the dust is the better example of aerosol. Okay, next is disperse phase liquid. मैं स्क्रीन का ऊपर वाला भाग ये आप टाइप देख लेना, जो कि आपके लिए अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए रहेगा, अदरवाइज यू मे गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. हाँ, द डिस्पर्स फेज इज लिक्विड, dispersion medium is solid, liquid in solid, understood. Liquid material smaller proportion, solid material greater proportion. So that type of a colloid is known as gel. Okay, liquid in solid, that is known as gel. Example, cheese, butter. These are the jelly type material. Cheese or butter are the example. Next is liquid liquid, यानी both disperse phase and dispersion medium both are present in a liquid state. Liquid in liquid, that type of a colloid is known as emulsion, understood. Emulsion. So here water insoluble material वो एक emulsion बन जाएगा, oil and water वो हो जाएगा. Okay, but oil and water do separate on standing. It should not be separate on standing, इसीलिए वो proper example नहीं हम लोग कहेंगे. So the proper example है milk. Milk is the example. Okay, where fat materials are there, understood. You all know that the protein and everything are there, but generally the fat material and in a liquid form, and the water content is also there in the milk, understood. So liquid in liquid. Hair cream is also one of the example. Next one is liquid in gas, also known as aerosol. Gas in liquid, liquid in gas, both are known as aerosol only. Where liquid in a smaller proportion, that is disperse phase, and gas is the dispersion medium, aerosol is the type. Example, fog, mist, cloud. Fog है, gases, different gas है which is present in a higher proportion atmosphere में, और number of liquid particles आ जाते हैं into the atmosphere. Mist यानी क्या, the droplets of mist means droplet of that liquid, यानी generally water droplet होंगे into the atmosphere, called the humidity. Okay, that part also comes in this type. Even the cloud also comes in this type only. Gas in solid, the next one. Gas solid means disperse phase is gas and solid is dispersion medium, understood. Solid higher proportion में होगा. This one type of colloid is solid sol. Example, foam rubber, plaster. जो प्लास्टर यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग, that consider this one as a solid sol. Even foam, जो रबर फोम है, that is also considered as a solid sol only. And the last one is foam. Foam type है, is formed by mixing gas in liquid. गैस लिक्विड में प्लेस कर दो तो वो जो झाग जैसा मटेरियल फॉर्म होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड फोम एक्चुअली. दैट फ्रोथ और सोप लेदर इज द एग्जाम्पल. सोप लेदर कैसे फॉर्म होता है, इफ़ यू डिजॉल्व सोप in a hard water only, then the soap leather will be formed, including some sort of a foam also, understood, but lesser percent of foam is there. So that is actually the example of a gas in liquid, that is disperse phase gas and dispersion medium liquid, and the type of colloid is known as foam. So these are the guys few types of these colloids based on physical state or physical phase of the matter, understood. Now the next type, that is the second one, is the classification of colloid based on interaction or affinity of phases, based on interaction or affinity of the phases. Okay, now here, based on interaction or affinity of phases, a colloidal solution is classified as two types. One is lyophilic colloids and second one lyophobic colloids. Okay, lyophilic एंड लायोफोबिक. अब देखो लायोफिलिक यानी क्या बच्चा, फिलिक मीन्स टू लाइक, हम लोग कह सकते हैं, मीन्स दो सब्सटेंस विच इज अट्रैक्ट बाय द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, अंडरस्टूड. द सब्सटेंस और अ टाइप ऑफ colloids which attract by the water molecule are known as lyophilic, and lyophobic means to hate. Phobic यानी hate. So the substance or the colloids which are repelled by the water molecule, understood. I repeat, lyophilic colloids which are attracted by the water molecule, and phobic colloids which are repelled by the water molecule. So these are said to be lyophilic and lyophobic colloids respectively. Let's see in detail what is lyophilic and lyophobic. A colloidal solution in which the particle of disperse phase have a great affinity for the dispersion medium are called lyophilic colloids. See here, the lyophilic colloid means the colloid in which the disperse phase understood, have a great affinity means great of attraction for the dispersion medium. Generally the dispersed phase and dispersion medium have a great affinity towards each other, understood, that is said to be the lyophilic colloids. जनरली यहाँ पे डिस्पर्सन मीडियम वाटर होगा, अंडरस्टूड, डिस्पर्सन मीडियम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वाटर होगा या फिर ऐसा सॉल्वेंट होगा जो इजीली डिजॉल्व कर लेता है या फिर मिक्स कर लेता है दैट डिस्पर्स फेज को. ओके, सो हियर the example is given about the lyophilic colloids. Example in the sense how it forms. See, if the lyophilic soul is evaporated, समझ लो कि lyophilic soul है, we contain चलो this one starch solution is one of the soul, बराबर है, तो starch powder dissolve in water. अब if the lyophilic soul is evaporated, the dispersed phase is separated. डिस्पर्स फेज डिस्पर्सन मीडियम सेपरेट हो गया. जैसे एग्जांपल हम लोग, जैसे मैंने बोला स्टार्च सोल्यूशन इन वाटर ओनली, सो हमने मिक्स कर दिया, सोल बन गया, ये जेली फॉर्म कहेंगे एक्चुअली उसको. देन इट व्हेन वी इवोपरेटेड या हीटेड, देन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल गेट्स इवोपरेट एंड ओनली द स्टार्च powder, that is dispersed phase, remains over there. So the dispersion medium and dispersed phase get separated, understood. But if remix with the medium, means that dispersed phase whatever separated, if we mix with the dispersion medium over there, the soul can be formed again, understood. Whatever the soul is there, colloidal solution will form again, understood. Therefore this type of a soul is said to be the reversible soul, understood. कैसा है, reversible, क्योंकि you can separate the dispersion medium and dispersed phase, but when you mix the separated dispersed phase with the dispersion medium again, then you will be getting again the soul. That's why this type of a soul is a reversible soul. On the other hand, lyophobic means repelled each other. So here the colloid in which particle of dispersed phase have no affinity for the dispersion medium, dispersed phase have no affinity towards the dispersion medium, that is called lyophobic colloids. Examples are there, silver Ag, that is Au यानी gold, hydroxides of some metal like aluminum hydroxide, ferric hydroxide and metal sulfide as well. Metal sulfide यानी होगा ZnS, zinc sulfide, understood. FeS, that is ferrous sulfide, like that only. So these are the substances. अब here these are the colloids once precipitated or once forms, they have little tendency or sometimes no tendency to reverse back to colloidal state. Here once these colloids suspension colloids are formed, these soles are formed, we cannot separate the two things, that is dispersed phase and dispersion medium, and that's why these are actually said to be the irreversible soul only, understood guys. So this is all about the lyophilic and lyophobic soul. Now in the next topic we're going to see the distinction between lyophilic and lyophobic, understood. Distinction exactly kya hai, what is the difference between lyophilic and lyophobic. See here, lyophilic first one form easily by direct mixing में, जैसे स्टार्च एंड एज आई सेड स्टार्च एंड वाटर मिक्स टुगेदर, स्टार्च पाउडर को मिक्स कर दो. स्टार्च यानी बच्चों जो व्हीट फ्लोर होता है ना, गेहूं का आटा, उसमें मैक्सिमम कंटेंट होता है स्टार्च, उसमें आप वाटर मिक्स कर दो. ओके, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा वाटर मिक्स करेंगे तो जो स्लरी जैसा बनेगा, दैट इज़ एक्चुअली द कोलाइडल, अंडरस्टूड. सो हियर इट इज़ फॉर्म बाय इजी मिक्सिंग. Lyophobic form only by special method, means some sort of a method we need to follow to prepare. We cannot prepare डायरेक्टली बाई ईजी मिक्सिंग. जैसे कि सिल्वर है, सिल्वर और अगर मैं मुझे वाटर मिक्स करना है, सो आई डोंट थिंक कि ये ईजीली मिक्स हो गया और इनफॉर्म हो जाएगा, अंडरस्टूड ना. सो वी नीड सम स्पेशल मेथड टू प्रिपेयर लायोफोबिक कोलॉइड्स. नेक्स्ट वन लायोफिलिक, इट इज़ रिवर्सिबल. डिस्पर्स फेज डिस्पर्सन मीडियम सेपरेट होंगे, अगेन मिक्स होंगे तो सोल बन जाएगा. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड लायोफोबिक इज इरिवर्सिबल, अंडरस्टूड. लायोफोबिक इज इरिवर्सिबल. Here lyophilic colloids, the particles are not easily visible even under microscope. In lyophilic colloids, particles are not visible also in microscope, means that much particle size is a little bit smaller. Here the particles are visible under microscope in lyophobic colloids, understood. Next is in lyophilic, they are still self stabilized, means no need of a stabilizer over there. कोई कंपाउंड ऐसा नहीं ऐड करना पड़ेगा कि वो अनस्टेबल है सो वापस हमें स्टेबल करना है. ऑन दी अदर हैंड लायोफोबिक में दे आर जनरली अनस्टेबल एंड दैट्स वाई दे रिक्वायर्ड ट्रेसेस अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेबिलाइजर. ट्रेसेस मीन्स स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेबिलाइजर ओवर देयर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इन लायोफिलिक addition of large amount of electrolyte cause precipitation. Large amount of electrolyte, okay, electrolyte यानी those substance when dissolved in water generally dissociate to forms cation and anions, जैसे NaCl है, CuSO4 है, understood, KCl, ये सारे electrolytes हुए. So here in lyophilic, addition of large amount of electrolyte should be there to form precipitation or coagulation. In case of a lyophobic, addition of smaller amount of electrolyte can cause the coagulation or precipitation. So small amount भी enough हो जाएगा for the coagulation. But here in lyophilic, the first one, addition of large amount should be there. Okay. 6 point, for lyophilic, viscosity of dispersed phase much higher than that of dispersion medium. The dispersed phase is little bit more viscous. Understood? Viscosity we already studied. No, viscosity means force of friction between two layers, that is called viscosity. So the viscosity of dispersed phase much higher than that of dispersion medium over here. On the other hand, in lyophobic, viscosity of dispersed phase is nearly same as that of dispersion medium, means both dispersed phase and dispersion medium having little same viscosity. And the last one, this one, for the lyophilic, surface tension of dispersed phase is lower than that of dispersion medium. Okay, surface tension of dispersed phase is lower than that of dispersion medium. On the other hand, lyophobic sol or colloid having surface tension of dispersed phase is nearly same as that of dispersion medium. So in lyophilic, if we talk about the 6 point, so viscosity difference is there between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. In case of lyophobic, viscosity is same for both dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Understood? If we talk about surface tension for both lyophilic and lyophobic, the lyophilic having a surface tension lower than that of dispersion medium. Okay, means dispersed phase having surface tension lesser than the dispersion medium. But here in lyophobic, surface tension of dispersed phase and dispersion medium remains same only. Understood, guys? So these are the point of difference. Total 7 are there. Just remember at least 4 to 5 this one difference between lyophobic and lyophilic colloid, because for the exam 2 marks question will be there, और उसके लिए 4 points are enough actually, तो 5 point आप कर लेना preparation. Okay, thank you.